Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce study time with Alison, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Alison website. Once on the home page, log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to your dashboard, where you'll see your enrolled courses. Identify the course you want to study. Click on the course title to open the course materials. As the course content opens, take note of the video or reading length displayed. Use the course outline on the left sidebar to quickly find specific modules or topics. Focus on the modules that are most relevant to your goals. Take advantage of the skip intro feature on video lectures if available. Use the speed control option to increase playback speed, allowing you to absorb information faster. Pause frequently to take notes or summarize key points. After each module, review the summary prompts provided to reinforce your understanding. If available, complete the quizzes at the end of each module to gauge your comprehension. Use the flashcard feature, if offered, to reinforce important terms and concepts outside of the course time. Consider taking time notes, summarizing key concepts in your own words for better retention. Make a study schedule that allocates specific time slots for each module. Stick to this schedule to maintain consistency in your study habits. At the end of each week, assess your progress and adjust your study plan as needed. Utilize the discussions forum if you have questions or need clarification on topics. Incorporate breaks during your study sessions to maintain focus and avoid burnout. Finally, celebrate your achievements as you complete each module to stay motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.